looking all over for you. What are you doing?
Watching the sunrise. If you stand in the right spot, you can see it between the buildings.
I want to watch the sunrise. You should have told me.
You were busy with Javak.
He's hilarious, isn't he? He's still talking backwards. Sunrise, the watch to want I. I mean, that's hard. And English isn't even his first language.
No, I can't do this.
Sam, wait, what's wrong? Are you mad at me?
No, Tessa, I love being ignored all night by my best friend after flying halfway across the country to see her.
What? I wasn't ignoring you.
I've been gone for 2 hours and you're just now noticing.
Yeah, well, because Yakov and I were, you know, what'd you want to do, have a threesome?
Why? Are you into that now?
No, what? I was just saying that...
You're doing shots and then hooking up with these random guys.
Yakov's not a random guy, he's in my program.
Making jokes about threesomes.
I was making a point.
I mean, look at what you're wearing, Tessa. This isn't you.
Yeah, well, maybe it is.
It isn't, trust me.
Why? Why can't this be me? Maybe this is just me trying something new.
I don't understand. Why do you suddenly care about these people?
Why do you dislike them so much? You haven't even tried to get to know them. You say I'm ignoring you, but you're making zero effort. If you did, you'd realize they're actually amazing people. They've traveled to all these amazing places and they talk about politics and art and just like everything.
I thought when I came, you'd be thrilled.
I am thrilled.
I thought we'd go across the Brooklyn Bridge and get pizza and geek over Harry Potter and the Cursed Child.
Okay, and we can.
When?
I don't know. When it works? I'm in the middle of stuff. You just showed up unannounced.
I wanted to surprise you. We haven't seen each other in weeks. This is the longest we've ever been apart from each other.
Yeah, well, maybe that's the thing, I guess.
The thing?
Sam, I love you more than anything. You know that. We've been through everything together. But it can't just be us forever, you know?
Yeah, obviously.
I need to figure out who I am outside of that. Which is why when the program ends, I'm gonna stay in New York a little longer.
How much longer?
I don't know. I'm not saying I don't want to still be friends. We can still go to Harry Potter and watch the sunrise. Let's just watch the sunrise. Sam. Sam!